So the first night in the Osa Peninsula, we weren't quite adapted to the heat, humidity, and the bugs that would join us because we had left too many lights on in the open air space. So we ended up using a condo that they had just finished building on the property for $25 extra a night that came complete with air conditioning and glass doors and walls. So the second night we were more prepared, and then we were able to brave the elements that we had planned to take on anyways. After a nice slow wake up, we gathered the family for a walk with Luis and a hike into the forest. It was incredible listening to him teach us about all the different things to see and learn about, him mostly in Spanish, us mostly in English, and meeting somewhere in the middle till we all came to an understanding. It was so fun. Wyatt was in his glory, following behind Luis, who had his machete to clear a path, Wyatt with his walking stick doing the same.
We are just out on a forest hike with Luis to a waterfall. Look at this place. Up, down. Hey, that is bamboo. Cool. And there's some bamboo. Oh man, we are in a deep, thick forest. It is very cool.
That's like a teepee.
Cool.
Watching the leafcutter ants at work was truly spectacular. It's wild that they can build something nearly as tall as the kids.
So we are walking along this little creek on our way to a waterfall, and that sound is a bug called chichara. And in the heat, they climb up on top of the leaves and enjoy the heat and sing. And then when it's cold or raining, they come down to the ground and hide under the leaves and stuff on the ground.
At long last, we met our reward, a tiny little waterfall, but not so tiny once you got up close and climbed the rock to jump in.
You're good.
We each did 1 or 2 jumps until the rock began to get really slippery, and Adam got a little bit too uneasy with us teetering on the top, as a fall down the other side would have been, well, pretty severe. Here Luis pulled down the fruit of the achiote tree, and it's used for red dye. He said they use it in stuff like soups, but the kids used it as face paint instead. And our tired crew, once we made it back to Finca Manglar, some of us hit the pool immediately to cool down. Some of us walked around enjoying some of the flora and fauna on the property. Some of us found our book, and we all just enjoyed the rest of the afternoon.